Here's the gate frame kit I got at Home Depot. All right, I'll set y'all over here and see if we can't put the gate together in under 17 minutes. Because that's how long GoPro lets me video. Make sure everybody's in the film. This is what you get. Is you'll get 2 of these tubes and 2 of these tubes, and I'm assuming you can put them together like this to really make a super wide gate. But I need one 24 inches, so I had to cut this down a little bit. Use a hacksaw. Hey Josh, thanks for watching, man. Appreciate the $40 donation. I ordered a wireless lapel mic yesterday. Thanks, man. All right, so what all you get in the box is these. You get 2 of these that'll go into a wooden post. If you're a wooden post, I'm gonna be a steel post, so I'm gonna do things a little bit different. It comes with 2 of these. These go on the side right there. Really, I won't be using those. So it comes with the screws. You screw it into the 2x4s, screw the pickets, and all these pieces together. So instead of wasting a whole bunch of time, let's get down to it and let's make us a gate. And it's not really, it really isn't hard. Don't overthink it. So take these that you cut, make sure that the holes are facing this direction, and I'll show you why. There's a rough edge in there. Okay. Cut your 2x4s to fit. This would be the first time I ever had a store-bought gate kit. I thought I'd give it a try. It's supposed to not ever sag. I have a few of these screws. Those are 2.5 or 2 inches. Every grown-up's finger has, each joint is roughly 1 inch. Pretty dang close. You can see that. We can start from down here and go up. It's like 2 1/4, 2 inches. So I don't normally use other manufacturers, you know, the screws that you get with the package, because they're usually pretty soft. Let's see. I'll put it back together. It's cool today, but kind of cool and warm, but it's humid. Make sure it's good and tight together. Let's see. Oh, I know what it is. Since this goes down past there, you can't use those 2 holes. It's not a big deal. So let's put a we'll put a couple of these screws in the front, hold it together. Actually, I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to flip it over. I'm not going to put screws on both sides because I don't want the bumps getting in the way of my wood. You know, the bump of the screw head. I know it's just a fence gate, but I like for it to turn out nice, so I'm not gonna put these on both sides. And I'll show you why in a minute. Just run them down till they're snug. You don't have to make them super tight or wait till your clutch ratchets on your cordless drill, because you don't want to ream out the hole, then your screw is pretty much no good. Need these. Throw those in my scrap pile. Alright. So next thing we want to do is get some pickets. You can put your pickets on here any way you want. You don't have to slice them or anything. It's called ripping when you come a long ways. You don't have to do any of that. But I did because I wanted to match a gate that I've already built. I built one 7 years ago. I wanted them to look similar. Alright, the biggest thing is going to be getting these side pieces on, because these are just a little bit shy of getting past that. So what we can do might have to go fishing a little bit, huh? There you go. There you go. A bit further, huh? Yeah, maybe. Well, maybe here. Could be off a little bit. So start spacing out your pickets. And I'm using these drywall screws. They do rust and leave a stain, because that's the way we did the other fence. And I want it to, like I said, I want it to patina to be similar when this starts to rust a little bit. Okay, once that is off. That's the problem with that. Trying to hit those holes blindly. I could just drill a hole. See what I'm gonna do. We'll just right here, and we will put one into the. I thought I put one in through the edge. I'm just going to put one here for now to hold it. And I will come back and drill me a hole. But right now I just need it held in place. Alright, so that's held in place. And kind of, that one might be a little bit. 1/16 of an inch over some. I don't want that. Wow. should have done is just put one in there to hold it temporarily for now, and then straight go back and drill it out. Drill it out. Okay, we can see our gap in here. A little bit. It's kind of an even gap all around. This would be a perfect piece to make sure that they're all like they're supposed to be. I made this earlier. So here we go, just like that. These gaps aren't going to be exactly perfect because the cedar is a little bit warped, but it's better than treated wood. I would never use treated wood on my fence again. I would only use it where I absolutely have to, because it just isn't worth it. It warps up. First screw right there, it will be hitting by my kick panel down here. Or actually, not by the kick panel, but I got another piece that goes up the side. Now I'll go back and double up on the screws. Man, it's really humid. I don't get it. I had the air conditioner on a while ago trying to suck out some humidity, but turned it off because it's very loud. I like to have all my screws kind of in a row, and I can go back and change all that. All right, let's put this kick panel on here. And I want some glue. Be sure to stay to the end, because you're going to make a gate. You might want to know how it all works. Of course, I'm not the best gate builder in the world, but I'm a very good DIY guy. Put some glue on here. Oh, I forgot that. I don't need that last edge there, because it doesn't. It overlaps the wood a little bit to make the gate appear to be taller. Because I got a 6.5 foot fence. There we go. There I go with one screw again. I was going to leave a bunch of the screws out, just enough to get it tacked together. Come back and finish it after that. I thought about doing a time lapse. I thought, I'll just do this. I'll just do it this way. Yep. You want to get it good and tight when your glue is drying, so it doesn't, you know, so it's nice and tight. Because if you don't put the screw in there all the way and it's got a little gap like that, and that's how the glue dries, then you got a gap. It's unfixable. You want to mash it together. Put a little pressure on it. And you can go back and adjust the screws later if it bugs you that they're not exactly in line. I'm telling you, it's a garden gate after probably a year or so. You won't even look at it anymore. It's gonna turn black, or not black, but it'll turn a dark color after a while. And after that gets dark like that, you just don't really pay attention to it. Now, I've always built my own gates in the past, but I thought I'd give this a whirl, a try, whatever you want to call it. Give this a shot. Give it a shot. Give it a shot.